Greetings from India, a lot of opportunities. Myself, Gopi, working with needed control techniques since 2013. Stationed at Pune, which is closer to Mumbai, I'm an engineer with a passion of sales, marketing, and business development. Working with NEDEC CT in the capacity of director for South Asia, and I'm supporting and leading the team to grow the CT business with the help of our genuine partners and customers like you. Today, I'm having a pleasure to present a new and need of the day product, that is dry freestanding. One line about DFS is easy to configure and ready to ship. On behalf of our team, we wish to thank you all for taking out your time to attend this call. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Adam. So my screen is visible.
Yeah, I think we've got you loud and clear, Gopi. So whenever you're ready to kick off, go for it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Welcome to all. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Hope you and your family are the best of health and spirits. After thundering success of interesting webinars, with your blessings, need XCT to present interactive virtual dialogue on dry freestanding. I'm going through this particular slide. Introduction about dry freestanding. Its range starts from 55 kilowatt to 540 kilowatt. We can customize up to 1.56 megawatt. It's a ready-to-use cabinet drive system, which came from a reliable and long-lasting drive specialist like Needed Control Technique. So what are the features here? Like here we can able to see we can go up to the maximum IP rating, and the fuse holder, which is as inbuilt, and the AC input disconnect, and the output choke and motor connection. This is some of the features which we would like to go through the next coming slides. Why DFS? Basically, if you get this IHS report, market study for 2017 report, the drives business for LV is around $11 billion. Out of this, the standard AC drives, which is beyond 22 kilowatt, which is contributing around 42% of the share, which is again 34%, which is a closed loop drive. Majorly this particular area where DFS will sit. And coming to the revenue by IP rating, again, this is IP2X, which is IP20 plus, having a major share of 71%. And the two major areas which is getting it increasing CAGR of around 3 to 4%, that is on commercial HVAC. Another one is on the food and beverages, which is 18% to 12%, which is coming to the form of revenue by form factor, which is we can see standalone drives contributing more than 91%, That's the area where we are right now positioning ourselves on the drive freestanding. That's the reason we came up with this particular product range very recent. What is the today's demand and the solution of CT? Basically, the high powered requirements are increasing than low power drives in the recent time. Why? Because the energy cost is getting it rise day by day, and the acceptance and the availability and the affordability of high power drives on high power application getting it more demand now, and the proven reliability and technological improvement in high power drives already it's in place, and the end user and the project customer wish to offload drives cubicles to drive companies and drive specialists like Control Technique. And the second major demand is that's a breakdown areas where the replacement drive needs quickly, that particular area that's demands increase on the immediate solution. What are the series solution we are offering against this particular demand is, as we said, 55 kilowatt to 540 kilowatt, we can go up to 690 volt and major IP ratings. And drive freestanding is a pre-assembled and pre-engineered ready to ship drive, which you can get it installed any place, which is even existing cubicle system also. And all the CT drive center and the partners capable of manufacturing this particular drive, which we have a tools in place to deliver as fast as possible. What is the value proposition on the drive freestanding, which you can see in the right side of the photograph? It's a very compact and the small footprint drives, which is available on the major ratings and ready to use. And we can able to do with Unidrive EM, we can offer more and more. And we have a high protection of cabinet and the cooling option, which is available in the drive freestanding. In our previous options, which we have a back-to-back drives where the maintenance was little challengeable, but right now we have it with this particular design, no back-to-back drives, which is we came up. And attractive for everyone like system integrator and the partners and the end users. There is no need to do any engineering. There is no need to do any building activities, cubicle building activities at your place. Better you can focus on your value-added services for the customer. Majorly, it goes every application like that's fans and pump and compressor and extruders. It's a and test benches. It's a very good option for it wherever the standalone drives requirement is major. What are the features as a standard we are offering in drive freestanding? That's basically we have a line and sharing chokes which is available, load switch and fuse holders and fuses, door mounted keypad with the real-time clock as a standard, which is all are available with our standard DFS system. Certain things are options. We have IP23 as a standard, remaining all are as an option. When you go with the EMC filter, it is inbuilt for the C3 and C4. For C1 and C2, we have it option, which we can able to provide. When we have a AC input disconnect, which is already is a standard. And when you go for electrical, which is we have an option of 230 and 24 volt AC. And we coming to the cubicle option, which is a standard blend is 100 mm, which we can able to go 200 mm for the cubicle options. When the energy monitoring, we can able to have a conventional of with IP54, we can go with the Modbus and Profibus and Ethernet. When we have 24 backup power, that's again the options, which is these are the optional features available in the drive freestanding. Some of the application which is mentioned here, that is we can go every application with the drive freestanding wherever we have a standalone requirement. Like first application, we are looking out fan and pumps. This particular drive is carrying a pump macro, which we can able to control the water hammer and the catch a spinning motor and the onboard fire mode. This is available with this. And go with the compressor, which is onboard PLC and PAD functionalities. This particular drive, which work for the energy efficiency and the optimal control for the increased COP coefficient of performance. We have general automation. I think previous slides, our colleagues explained about 200% overload. This is applicable for this DFS as well. So we can able to deliver immediate, easy to integrate and the operated intelligently. This is one of the application we can get it for this particular drive or this particular model. Coming to the software and support with the promotional tool, which is available. It's available in the links, which is getting it shared by our team. Like Intuitive commissioning software, which is a Connect, which is a free, which is available in the website. As we mentioned, we have more than 4 decades of experience. We came up with the latest configurator and the commissioning tool, as well as machine controls tool, and the diagnostic tool, which is allowed to take care of the maintenance, preventive and predictive maintenance activities by doing this, and the drive setup. Coming to the ordering process, we are ready to deliver when you find the opportunities. Maybe you can get connected with our nearest sales manager or sales office. You'll get an ordering code. This looks like this. The drive range, we can able to select M700, M701, and F300 and Commander C200. This is a drive freestanding, which is X's. We have a DFS 1 and 2. Up to 250 kilowatt, we have DFS 1. Beyond 250 kilowatt, we DFS 2, that's a version. Goes with the drive specification, which is having a current rating and the supply voltage, and the region, which is which region it came from. It's Asia Pacific, it's a P, and if it is UK, different one, and the other option which is available like IP23, IP44, and IP54. Some of the success stories I like to share here, like one of the success stories from USA, which is in a waste energy blower. We supplied 350 HP value of approximately around $28K. We delivered in the month of Feb 20. Key success factor is short lead time and the customer relationship. When you coming to the another one application from Germany, which is a blow molding machine. Again, there's a DFS, which approximate around 80K euros and supplied in the month of March 20. This is the basically the competitiveness of our product. Basically, it talks about total cost of ownership, where they compared with IP21 drives plus IP42 panel, we supplied with our drive freestanding. So that's a competitiveness. Coming to the another one story, which is from Netherlands. Its application is a dredging vessel. We supplied one DFS2 for M700. Another one is 2 DFS2 on frame size 3 and 4 on the M700, approximately around 90K. Delivery of month is around May 20. Basically, as everyone talks about, even our president, Mr. Tony, we are a drive specialist, more than 4 decades. So everyone sells on the drives, we sells on the our specialist. When we come up with another one application, we came with Italy. This is from Italy. It's for fan for exhaust. So 4 number of DFS2, which is more than $120K. Month of May we supplied. This is a key success factor for the compactness and the technical support. The final success story, we have a lot. So one is in the very recent that Slovakia, which is I want to mention here, that the PO date, purchase order date on 11th of May, which is on Monday, that we delivered on 13th May with its 2 working days. So basically, this particular system was run by our need a control technique drive solution platform drive. More than 17 years got breakdown. So we delivered it very fast. So that's a key success factors on the delivery time and the fast response and the experience with the CT partner on this side. Coming to the final, it's Italy once again, which is having a 26K. That's a value we supplied for a servo. It's a test bench. The expertise on long stroke linear actuator and the technical support, it's allow us to get in this particular customer. So we have more than 100 installations span of less than a year, won against leading competition in the world, running successfully in every application, any segment, equipment. DFS is the right choice. Highlights of this particular product: wherever the ingress protection and the energy saving is a key, that's drive freestanding will be the best choice. And plant availability is maximized with virtually zero requirement from engineering resources, where we want outsource it with the complete cubicle. That's a drive freestanding, one another product which you can look it out. And we have a maximum versatility and variance for every application. Like we have a C200, F300, M701, and M702 and 700. So wherever you have a control dynamics is the key. That is again DFS, right? And drive features provide overall system control when it comes for the HVAC and the water application. and maximize the return of invest ROI and minimize the impact on the environment. This is one another advantage with the drive-free strategy. Key takeaways, that's a final slide. And ready to use, the fast turnaround, easy setup, rugged and reliable drive system from the reliable and the long-lasting drive specialist. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thanks. Thanks, Adam. I'm handing over to Adam.
Yeah, thanks, Copy. And
Yeah.
I think just without notice, really, the simple message with this system is really the speed that we can respond to high-powered drive failures in the marketplace or even short-term projects. I'm actually standing in the Sydney Drive Centre right now, out the window. Right near me, I'm looking at a 355 kilowatt drive in an IP54 enclosure, ready to go anytime that our customers want it. So I think big drives quick is really the message, isn't it? And our customers will be able to enjoy things like our 5-year warranty that we have on the Commander drive. We're really trying to respond as quick as possible with high-power drives, and it's all about de-risking the customer's operations. So thanks, Copy.